Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be reviewing a wig from Ilikehair. This hair, it's a pixie cut. It's supposed to be curly and short, and yeah, this is how it came out of the box, and it looked very funny at first, but I would say trust the process in here because it's worth it. This is how the hair looks on the inside. It has a little bit of lace on the front. I would say about 1 inch or an inch and a half of lace, not really that much lace. The hair also came with all these goodies. Okay, so right into the installation, I did apply 2 wig caps just because, you know, sometimes I feel like 2 wig caps give me the security that I need for my application. Then I went ahead and I put foundation all over my wig cap, and I cleaned out my hairline so I can apply the glue. Since I already had makeup on, I had to remove the makeup so I can apply the wig glue. So this is me trying on the wig for the first time, and I'm so sorry, but my reaction was funny as hell because this is the first time ever I try a wig this short. Like, keeping it honest and real with you guys, this is the first time I try a hair this short. When the hair was in the box, it looked a little funny, you know, like curly hair when you haven't been taking care of your natural hair. You know, that's how it looked like. So it was kind of funny to me how realistic the wig is. So to start off with the application, I went ahead and I plucked the hair before I started the video. So I did a little bit of plucking, not too much because there's not much lace. Here I'm just applying a little bit of hair wax, and then I'm gonna go with the hot comb to make sure the front stays in place and the little hairs don't bother me when I'm applying the wig. Then I went ahead and I started cutting extra lace on the sides to make sure it fits around my hair properly, and I divided the lace in 3 parts to make sure the application is easier. You guys already kind of know how this process goes. You put the 2 coats, you make sure they dry with the blow dryer in the cold setting. You have to always do the cold setting so the hair can stick to your head. And yeah, here I'm just applying the 2nd coat and blow drying. For some reason, the front of the hair looked like I did have some kind of heat damage or something like that. I don't know, I was just impressed because of how realistic the hair looked like. Here I'm slowly placing the wig right on top of the glue, making sure I don't, you know, leave any glue out. And then with the blow dryer and a small comb, I'm gonna make sure I dry the whole front so the hair can stay in place. With wigs application, I would say it's all about taking your time, not rushing it. Whenever you rush a wig application, that's when the mistakes come up and it starts slipping and things like that. You want to make sure you take your time, you know, blow drying with the comb. You want to make sure you take your time applying the glue in the perfect and in the correct places, and making sure, you know, you plug the hairline as much as needed or as much as possible. I didn't do a lot of plugging with this one because of the fact that it doesn't have much lace on the front, but I still made it look really good and very natural. After blow drying for a while, I went ahead and I put the elastic band around my hairline, This is me playing around with the hair and feeling the texture. Like I said, it felt like this is my natural hair. After a few minutes, I went ahead and I cut the excess lace on the front. Also, like I said, you want to take your time. You want to make sure you don't cut too much or you don't cut too little. Just the right amount of lace, you know. Want to make sure you're cutting in the right places. The fact that I divided the lace in 3 parts makes it easier to cut at the end. As you guys can see, I'm going section by section, and you guys can see that the hairline kind of looks a little lighter than my face, and that's totally okay because I usually go ahead and do put a little bit more powder towards the end after I'm done. And yeah, but right now I'm just taking out just a tiny bit of hair because I wanted to give this wig some baby hair. It would have looked just as fine if I didn't do the baby hairs, but this is a personal option that I personally chose to do because I love doing baby hair with curly hair. But I just made sure I didn't take too much. I also used my E-Bean or E-Bine. I don't know how to say the name of this brand yet. So if somebody can teach me how to say it, I will appreciate it a lot. But I'm gonna use the E-Bine spray to make sure, you know, to aid the glue. It's not necessary. This is a completely optional step, but for me, this just helps melt the lace completely. After drying it with the blow dryer for a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and put the elastic band one more time. When you apply wigs, elastic bands are your best friends. You're gonna do that at least 2 or 3 times during the wig application, and that's gonna help the lace to stay in place. So while I have my elastic band on, I'm gonna go ahead and style the hair. I didn't do much. Sprayed some water until it's damp enough, and then I put some curly hair products, which I forgot to show, and I don't remember which ones I used because I'm doing the voiceover at work. Don't tell my boss. The hair texture was really nice, so it took a little bit for the hair to absorb the water, but it was pretty much really good. Came out really nice. I didn't need to put a lot of products for the hair to look beautiful. I just love this wig. You know, at first it was a little bit funny looking, but kind of looked like an old raccoon or something like that, but this hair is absolutely beautiful. You know, if you want to try a short wig, I would recommend this one 100%. After I'm done applying all the hair products, I'm gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs. I'm not really good at baby hairs, but you know, I try my best to do the beautiful baby hairs that I can. But yeah, this is what I did. I just kept it very simple, but at the same time super cute. Nothing major going on here. Just made them look as natural as possible. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm just adding a little bit more of curling cream to my hair. The hair is done, it's ready, looks amazing. I'm very happy that I chose this hair. It's so beautiful. But yeah, this is everything that I have to show you guys the tutorial. It's done. The hair looks amazing and the hair is melted. If you guys want to try this wig or any other wig from Ilikehair, and so far all the hairs that I've tried from them, it's absolutely beautiful and I 100% recommend it. I do have a coupon code that I'm going to put on the screen for you guys to be able to purchase the hair with a discount. It's a really good coupon. I think it's 25%, I'm not quite sure, but I will put it on the screen for you guys to use it. I'm also gonna have all the links and all the information for the hair and the brand on my description box, so don't forget to check that out for extra information if you guys want to purchase hair from this company. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, click the like button if you like this video. Leave me a comment with any question you might have about this hair. This is how the hair looks on the back. Super beautiful, like I said. It looks like my natural hair and I love it. Thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!